Let's talk about font sizes. There are different ways to set font sizes on our page. Some of them are very common, some of them are very uncommon. But let's talk first about the units. I'm going to bring up the different kinds of units. We can specify our font size in centimeters. We can specify a font size in inches. We can specify it in millimeters. We can specify it in points, which is probably what you're used to if you're doing word processing, right? I'm using a 24 point font or a 14 point font, a 12 point font. We can do picas or pixels. But more often than not, we tend to do relative units, EM or percentages. Okay, we're specifying them relative to some kind of base font. Let's go in and see how that works. And I'm going to do some EM font sizes for this video. So let's start by adjusting our headings. Remember, this heading size is determined by a default CSS property that's built into the browser. Since I've not specified any new sizes for my headings, no sizes for my paragraph, it's using the default font sizes that are built into Google Chrome in this case. So let's go here to H1 and let's set the font size for our heading. So I'm going to do font size colon, and I am going to set it to 2 EMs. Okay. That means twice what a standard font is. I want it to be twice as big as a standard font. And that's basically what that means. I'm going to save that and I'm going to come over here and refresh, and you don't see any change. Why don't you see any change? Because 2EM is the standard size for an H1 font size in Chrome. So let's do it a little bit different. Let's change it to 2.5 EM. Okay, and I will hit it, and you can see 2.5 EM is 2.5 times a normal font, and we have to assume, I'm assuming that the paragraph is a normal font size. So this is 2.5 times bigger than this font. All right, so let's go to the paragraph. Let's do a font size there. Font size. Let's change it to 1.25 EM. See if it gets slightly bigger. Need to save that, refresh it, and there I get a slightly bigger font size. I can also do this with percentages. I think let's just leave it at EMs for now. Talk more about some other things we can do in the next video.